The wildebeest migration is one of nature's most awe-inspiring spectacles, an ancient rhythm of survival and instinct. When they head near the rivers, most famously the Mara or Grumeti, the scene is set for drama, chaos, and unparalleled beauty. As the wildebeest approaches the riverbanks, the tension is palpable. The dry wind carries the scent of water, and the low grunts of thousands of wildebeest and accompanying zebras fill the air. The animal hesitating, pacing and clustering at the edge of the river, their eyes scanning the water. Crocodile lie in wait, their form barely visible beneath the muddy surface, while vultures circle overhead anticipating a feast. Wildebeest operate on a collective instinct. At the riverbanks, enormous energy ripples through the herd. The younger one push forward, eager yet unaware of the danger. Older seasoned animals hang back, their hesitation shaped by past encounters. Small groups sometimes test the water, only to retreat when they're splashing. Signal movement beneath. Eventually, one brave or desperate wildebeest makes the first leap into the water. This single moment acts as a trigger. The entire herd seems to realize its pent-up tension in a freezing of motion. The sound of hooves pounding the earth is deafening and thousands surge forward, each animal fighting to stay afloat and avoid being crushed in the chaos. The river crossing is a violent dance between life and death. Strong current pull at the animals threatening to drag them downstream. Crocodiles strike with a brutal efficiency, their jaws snapping onto any unlucky enough to cross their path. Yet, amidst the perils, the herd's strength lies in its number. For every individual lost, 100 make it to the other side, exhausted but alive. Once across, the wildebeest shake off the water and regroup. Calves call out their mothers, and the herd reassembles as if nothing happened. For them, this is not the end, but merely a chapter in their endless journey, driven by the rain and the promise of the lush grazing lands.
Try not to move too much.